Hi, I'm Patrick Hill, Master Barber and Certified Educator. If you're a cosmetologist looking to take your career to the next level, I'd like to invite you to train with me in person at one of my upcoming workshops. I'll teach you all about clipper techniques, today's trendiest cuts, and share my own personal insight from 25 years in the barbering industry. If you're new to barbering, my Look and Learn seminars will ease you into it with basic information about the different uses for clippers, shears, guard selection, and much more. Now, if you're looking for something a little more advanced, take part in the hands-on training where you'll get a chance to practice with me these techniques for yourself. You will gain confidence with your clipper techniques, mingle with your peers, and have fun while training. Find out about my upcoming workshops below. Availability for hands-on training is limited, so don't delay in grabbing one of those spots. I hope to see you in the future.